Hi everyone. Happy Vlogmas day 15. Yesterday I did a lot of cleaning. I did not get everything done, but I did majority of the stuff, and I'll just quickly show you. You can see there I did rearrange and got a new carpet and stuff like that. So yeah, you'll see that into the previous video. Yes, so I just got a package from Amazon. I've been waiting for this for a while. It was supposed to come yesterday. Yesterday was Thursday, actually. Well, not really a while, but yeah, it was supposed to come yesterday, but it did not come. So it come today, and I wanted to be here when it came today, because there's a lot of thieving going on right now in Christmas time, because they showed on the TV, on the news, that there's a lot of people going up to doors and stealing other people packages and stuff like that. If they have package deliver home, and the delivery guy just put it on their doorstep or on their patio or wherever, right? You see video of people actually coming and thieving it. You know what I mean? I'm like, yo, I definitely want to be here, because I think you may have a protection under Amazon still, just in case you do not get your item. Yes, so yeah, I do have to get the item in time, fairly in time, I'll say. And it's not really a nice day outside, but I want to put it up. It's a Christmas LED laser light for the house outside, so I do definitely want to put it up. Otherwise than that, I have a video that I need to make, and then I have to go on the road to go pick up my son, and then I do a few things and come back home later on in the evening. I do have a prayer service, and I also have a choir director practice. I have to teach them some new songs with my choir at church. So I do have my my booked full for today. I do have a lot of things to do. So in this time that I have free right now, probably like 2 hours, maybe an hour left, I'm just gonna quickly make a video and maybe try to edit it as well. But yeah, just continue watching for the end of the day. My phone is ringing. Hi guys, how's it going? I'm just doing a little car chit chat here with you guys for a little bit. I don't know, a few people address this topic, but I am going to address it based on my personal experience on YouTube. I think it's gonna be in the title, so you will see what I'm chit chatting about in the car. So basically, you're small and you're upcoming YouTuber, right? You're upcoming and everything like that, and you rely on your subscribers then to view your videos, right? And trying to get new subscribers and stuff like that. Anywho, what I want to say is that as a black female subscriber, I come across, based on my YouTube channel, it's based on like daily vlogs, right? Different things. It could be random things and stuff like that. It's based on. But what I've noticed that when I go out, like when I'm researching on YouTube and I find videos that interest me, or draw my attention into the same fact that they're kind of doing the same thing that I'm doing, so let me support them and subscribe. Not only subscribe, but view as well. Also, being a viewer to those subscribers that I subscribe to, I watch them video, I make sure I comment and stuff like that, because there's content, basically there's good content, right? But this is the thing I'm gonna understand, right? You text them, you comment on their videos, and they comment back replying, oh, good and everything like that, saying thanks for watching, and probably having a conversation, basically, right? Probably having a conversation on the video or videos. But when it comes to them doing the same thing to yours, listen, I'm not the thing is, if you want to do sub for sub, you do sub for sub. If you want to do views for views, you do views for views, right? But if I am if I am communicating with you on your videos, in your comments and stuff like that, saying that, you know, more than once, more than twice, more than 10 times basically, and you know you're not doing back that to me, what kind of signal is that sending? It's not a good signal, right? So this is the thing I'm gonna understand. Why is it that, especially why is it our community of black female can't support each other? A lot of people come out and say, oh yeah, we should support each other. Listen, make up on a black girl YouTube channel and the content is based on the content that I like, I am going to subscribe to you. Not only subscribe to you, but I'll also view your videos and communicate with you, because you know all of us are one and we want to be able to have like a small YouTube family based thing. But why is it that me communicate with you, you're talking with me, and when we turn around, me go through my subscriber list, you're not there? Not only you're not there, but you're not subscribed to me. How does that work now? Why should I do the same to you and you're not supporting me at all? That's not right, man. Come on, man. Come on. Right? I don't business if you want something for our like for like or view for view. But the fact of the matter is, me I communicate with you on your video, and my video don't worth anything to you, then why am I communicating with you then? Right? Because we have similar likes and we have similar content, so obviously that's the reason why I'm on your channel, you know, talking with you. So it kind of puzzles me, and it kind of get me upset at times, because you expect to get the support from people, even into your YouTube, your Facebook groups, you have your friends and stuff like that in there, and you know they drop them link, you drop your link. Listen, I'm honest, so me I will click on your link and view it, right? And it's based on me if I want to subscribe. If I do subscribe, I am going to watch your videos the next time around you post something. But let's help each other out, no man. Let's help each other out. It's just becoming a thing that is basically, it's all about money thing on YouTube. No, I remember using YouTube back then. I think the first video I ever posted on YouTube was a cooking video, and I was not thinking about money with that video. Right? I was not thinking about nothing more than, oh, I want to share, more people to see my cooking. And trust me, if you watch that video, long time video, it's something else. But the fact of the matter is, nowadays with the YouTube thing, it's just money this, money that. Oh, I have to make sure I get enough views and enough subscriber. Thank God for the little subscriber that I have, yeah? Thank God, right? And the views that I have, thank God for them same way, because that for sure that people still out there are people still out there watching my videos same way, and I appreciate it so much. But this is a real talk, man. We need to come together and really support each other. If we say we're going to support each other, right? If you're commenting on somebody else's video, do so. You do that as well. Let them do that as well, because you don't really just help each other. You don't have to be, even if you don't want to have like a big conversation. If you just want to leave like a high, you know, nice video, anything. But be real, people. Be real and communicate. Don't behave like if me you know attack I say may I reply to you or comment to your videos, and you say, yeah, thanks you for watching, I appreciate that. If you appreciate it so much, why you don't do the same to my videos? It's not like say I'm not a YouTuber. You know what I mean? This is the thing what get me upset. But anyway, let me finish the complaining right here, so I know, yeah, man, because if me continue going on. But this is just a real chit chat, car chit chat, based on help supporting each other in the YouTube community. So people, so many if you say, but let out things off of my head, out of my brain and everything like that. So yeah, if you do like this video, please comment below and let me know your views on this topic as well. Let me know if are the real thing me attack or just fla me attack, you know what I mean? Oh, the fish they can't go down, man. Just stuck up show. Nah, traffic.